we have another special unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Either my Amazon affiliate link will be down below, or their website. Either or. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon, but you never know. Everybody's on Amazon these days. So here we go. And we got this month is almost over. Can't believe how fast this year is coming to an end. And we got Santa Claus coming. We got Halloween. Here we go. Oh boy, what is this? Viori conditioner bar, hidden waterfall, musk scent. Kind of gift box. Take a look at this. Ooh. You guys smell. Whoa. Stuff smells pretty good. It's like a Irish smell. Okay. Alright. Let's see what else is in this one. Shampoo bar. Hidden waterfall. Alright. Oh. Ooh. Oh. There's a lot of reading material. Rice water. Ooh. Does smell good. Definitely check these guys out. Yeah, I think they're on Amazon, so Amazon link will be down below. Solid bar bamboo holder. Oh, that's cool. Cut this open. It's really nice. So, maybe a nice little gift to give your parents or your grandparents. See? That's pretty cool though. But yeah, it does smell good though. So I mean, definitely check it out. Place your order down by my Amazon affiliate link. Click on that, add it to your cart. Definitely check these guys out. See what other goodies they have to offer also. But if you like this bar set soap, click the link. You guys be safe. Have a good night. Oops. Viori. And now my hands smell like it. Okay. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.